In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the PCIe GBE family controller is disconnecting. The way that we can do this is you want to search for View, Network Connections. In here you want to find the PCIe adapter. I'm just going to use this one as an example. Then you want to go to Properties. In here press on Configure. Once you're in there, go to Advanced. And then in here what you should do is you should look for something called Auto Disable Gigabit. Now I don't have it on this one, but you should have it on yours if you're using the PCIe one. So what you want to do is you want to find the Auto Disable Gigabit, head over to Value and select something called Relink Battery or AC. You should have those options if you're using that one. Once you've selected that one, the Auto Disable Gigabit, as well as selecting Relink Battery or AC, you can just press OK and close it down. Then what you want to do is you want to search for Device Manager. In here you want to head over to Network Adapters. Then you want to select the one as well, the PCIe GBE family one. I'm just going to use this one. And then you want to go to Properties, Advanced, and then do the exact same here that you just did before. Once you've done that, close it down, search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type netsh space winsock space reset. After you've done this, close it down, and then what you want to do is you want to restart your PC, and now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.